Enjoy every moment right here today. Grateful hearts will show us the way. Every second has something to say. Believe in yourself and you will stay. Yeah. Life keeps moving, it turns around. Do not stop when you fall down. Every story waits to be